Good day everyone. Welcome to the Azure AI series. In this video, we are diving into something truly exciting, Azure AI Foundry's Images Playground. Experience the future of image generation where in just few minutes you can create high quality, visually striking images with the help of powerful Azure AI models. Whether you are a designer looking to boost your creative workflow or a developer exploring ways to integrate image generation into your apps, this tool has something for you. Today, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to generate images using the Image Playground and help you unlock the full potential of this platform. If you are passionate about AI, design or building intelligent solutions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming content in this Azure AI series. Let's get started and see how far your creativity can go with Azure AI. Right now, I'm on the Azure AI Foundry page. You just need to open ai.azure.com and then you will get into this Azure AI Foundry page. Yeah. Just in case if you are seeing a different page than what you are seeing right now, then what you need to do is like you just need to click on this particular icon here. Yeah, the Azure AI Foundry. And once you click on that, you will be seeing something similar to what you are seeing right now. Yeah. So what I will do now is like I will create a new project. So let's create on this particular thing here. And then select Azure AI Foundry resources and then click on next. And let's give it a name here. I will name it as JB Images Playground Project. Yeah. Let's go to the advanced options. And then what I'll do is like I will fill up all these required things. I've selected the subscription. I've created a resource group and I've provided the required resource here name. And then the region I've selected East US too. Yeah, let's click on create. And then let's wait for the project to get deployed. Okay, so the project is deployed now. So what we'll do now is like, let's go to the playgrounds here. And if you remember in our last video where we created 3 AI agents for a fictional bank called JB Bank, we came to this playground and then we clicked on this let's go. And we basically created a GPT 4.0 deployment for the chatting to happen. But for this particular video, what we'll do is like we will use this images playground, and it basically tells like generate compelling images from text and image prompts with models like GPT images 1 and more. Yeah. So what we'll do now is like let's click on this try the images playground. And if you see here, we don't have any existing deployment for this. So we will have to create a new one. So let's click on this create a deployment. And then let's wait for the available models to load here. Yeah. If you see here, I have one model for this particular subscription, and that is DALE E3. So what I'll do is like I will select that and click on confirm here. Yep. Let's give it a name here. I will name it as JB Images Playground DALE 3 deployment. Yeah. Let's click on customize. Yep. And then what we'll do is like if you want to change anything here, go ahead and do it. Or else what I would suggest is like we will have everything as default and then click on create resource and deploy. For example, if you want to change the location or if you want to change the tokens per minute and all those things, you can do that. If you feel like all these things are fine for you, then you can click on this create resource and deploy. Yeah, let's wait for this deployment to complete and then we will take it from there. It is created now. Now we can start creating the images by describing what is required. Yeah. Before giving our prompt, what I would do is like I will select one of the options here. It is like a sample that is provided here. So I will click on this Earth from the International Space Station. And then the options we have, we can select the size of the image of any of these. I will select this one, yeah, 1024 into 1024. And style, we have vivid and natural. I will go for natural. And then as far as the quality is concerned, I would use HD. Okay, let's generate the image and then let's wait for the image. Yeah. Okay, so we have the image created. Let's click on that. And this is the image that is created. Looks good. Yeah. So now what I'll do is like, let me put some real information and then see if I'm gonna get some good image. Okay. So what I'm basically going to do is like, I'm basically providing this prompt here. I just want to create a thumbnail image for this YouTube video that I'm doing right now. Yeah, so I'm giving the required details. I'm basically telling that I'm creating a YouTube video on creating images from the images playground in Azure AI Foundry. I've provided all other details like what I'm doing, and I'm asking it to create an thumbnail image. And I'm telling like I need space on all four sides, text and characters to follow and things like that. And the important thing that I'm telling is like, can you design it as a 13-year-old who will draw it as a school project? Yeah. So and basically telling like the make sure the icon have real color though. Yeah. Let's generate that and then see what we are going to get. Okay, so the image is created. Now, if you see here, this is the image that I've got for the prompt that I've sent. Like you can fine tune your request and then get whatever image that you intend to. Yeah. So this is a very powerful feature. It is just like we need to provide the required details and then get the images accordingly. Yeah. I hope this video will let you guys create images using the images playground in Azure AI Foundry. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.